What makes the Estetica chair so special is multiple aspects. One, you're talking about the sleek, modern look. Also, the new technology that's encompassed in it, it's an integrated design. You're not pulling in a cart, you're not bringing in extra components, it's truly all on this chair for you.
In Europe, this type of technology has been around a long time, and it's extremely well received, embraced everywhere globally, so we're excited to bring it over to the States now.
It was an amazing experience being here today and seeing the KaVo treatment units installed in Dr. Harris's office. What's exciting about the KaVo Kerr products is we innovate for patient benefit. We bring things to the dentist to enable them to have spectacular customer care.
It was actually the best customer service experience I've ever had, of just having a team there, setting everything up for me, showing me exactly how to do the presets, making sure everything was functioning. I mean, it was easy. My dad's a dentist and my two brothers are dentists. It's just always been in my blood. It's been in my family. In the last 5 years, I mean, I've chosen to specifically work with KaVo Kerr, with everything that I do. And it's because of how they interact with me. It's always about the dentist. It's always about the patient. It's never about KaVo Kerr. It's never about Brian Harris. It's about what's best for the patient and truly what's best for their doctors.
One of the things that I think the doctors are going to love is that it's completely customizable to how they work. So their workflow throughout any procedure that they do in their office, we can customize on these units, to make their procedures faster, easier, and just more efficient for them.
I mean, all the little features are amazing. The handpiece feature comes in really handy because as soon as I take the handpiece out, I mean, it shows up on the screen as my preset, but then very quickly I can raise and lower that, and I can do it very easily with the foot pedal too. So I've never had that much flexibility with procedures before. Traverse is good for me because I can set the patient forward a little bit more and have more working room. But then if I do have some of my tall, I can also back it up from the wall a little bit to give them a little bit more foot room. The light itself is just a more crisp, clean feel. As I'm looking at the patient, I can see a lot more than I've ever been able to see before. We have to be able to work in small, confined spaces, so to have perfect vision like that when we're doing it is just definitely a huge advantage. One of the things I love about the chair is for my new patient exams or cosmetic consults, the fact that it has the screen that drops down right in front of the patient's face, it makes it real easy for me to kind of sit knee to knee with the patient and be there with them, but also have my images right there in front of us.
The automated hygiene of the new chairs have made my job a lot easier. You simply plug the hoses into the system, run a nightly cycle in the morning, run a quick morning cycle with the touch of a button right here on the touchscreen panel, and then we're ready for the day. Everything's sterile.
I think having the right technology in the office and having our patients be able to see that in action speaks volumes for who we are as dentists and the type of practice that we're trying to operate and the type of dentistry we're trying to do. To me, it's not just about the chair, it's not just about the equipment, it's about the experience, about who I'm trying to be as a dentist, the type of practice that I'm trying to operate and run. I sit and look at the array of products in front of me and they just happen to be KaVo Kerr products. Not because that's what I was told to use, but that's the best stuff out there right now.